Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you find notifications on your Qanda app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you to find your notification. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, you click on it here. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. So then here you will find all notifications you have. So like you see here, I have no notifications, but if you have it, you will find it in this list here. So that's all you have to do to find your notifications. Just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.